Be honest with me for a second. You wake up tired. You open your phone. One reel turns into 20. Suddenly, it's evening and nothing important got done. You feel guilty. You feel stressed. And you tell yourself, from tomorrow, I'll fix everything. But tomorrow comes and nothing changes. If that sounds like you, don't skip this video. Because 2026 doesn't need more motivation, it needs simple daily rules that work even when you feel lazy, tired, or confused. Watch till the end because one of these rules can completely reset how you live your student life. Fix your direction before the day controls you. Most students lose their day in the first 20 minutes. Phone, messages, notifications, and just like that, focus is gone. Rule number 1, no phone for the first 30 minutes. This isn't self-help talk, this is brain science. When you check your phone right after waking up, your brain gets instant dopamine. After that, studying feels boring. Real work feels painful. What to do instead? Very simple. Wake up, drink water, sit quietly for 2 minutes. Ask yourself one question. What is the one thing that will make today successful? Write it down, one line only, not 10 goals, just one clear target. Direction beats motivation. Rule number 2, start with a small win. Don't start your day with pressure. Not study 6 hours, not fix my life, just 5 minutes. Read 1 page, revise 5 formulas, write 3 bullet notes. Your brain loves progress. Small wins create momentum, and momentum quietly fixes your discipline. Fix procrastination and focus. This is where most students struggle. You sit to study, your mind says, let's take a short break first. That short break destroys hours. Rule number 3, never study without a timer. Your brain hates unlimited effort, but it can handle short challenges. Use this rule. 25 minutes study, 5 minutes break. Set a timer. When it rings, stop. Why this works? Your brain feels safe. Focus increases. Burnout reduces. Discipline grows when you stop on time, not when you overwork. Rule number 4, 1 session equals 1 subject. Multitasking kills focus. Don't mix physics plus phone plus music plus stress. Choose 1 subject, 1 notebook, 1 clear task. Example, wrong, study chemistry. Correct, solve 10 MCQs from acids chapter. Clear goals reduce mental resistance. Emotional moment. You're not lazy. Your brain is just overloaded. Fix energy and mental health. Evenings decide your future. Bad evenings equal bad mornings. Rule number 5, no screens 1 hour before sleep. Yes, it's hard, but it works. Screens destroy melatonin, your sleep hormone. Bad sleep equals bad focus equals bad results. Simple alternatives: light walk, stretching, journaling, sitting quietly. Boring? Yes. Life-changing? Absolutely. Rule number 6, brain dump before bed. Your brain stays stressed because it's holding everything. Before sleeping, write what went wrong today, 3 tasks for tomorrow. This tells your brain you're done for today. Sleep improves, clarity improves, anxiety reduces. Fix consistency and confidence. Rule number 7, never miss twice. Miss 1 day? Fine. Miss 2 in a row? Dangerous. This rule builds identity. You stop saying, I'll try, and start believing, I'm someone who comes back. That belief changes everything. Rule number 8, stop waiting for motivation. Motivation follows action, not the opposite. Action equals confidence equals motivation. Even 1% effort counts. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Emotional line. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stay in the game.
If you follow these rules, not perfectly, but honestly, 2026 will feel different. More focus, less stress, more confidence. One day you'll realize your life didn't change suddenly. It changed daily. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more student-focused guidance, share it with a friend who's silently struggling. You're not behind. You're building momentum.